Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this morning video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to get TD Bank statement online. To get the TD Bank statement online, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first thing first, you wanna go ahead and launch the TD Bank application. When you go ahead and open it up, you have to go ahead and log in. So for that case, you need to type in your username and then a password. Once logged in, it's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, you wanna go to the account, and when you go to accounts, then you'll be able to find this sort of page where you could see activity detail and statement. Since we need statements, so you have to go to the statement section, and there you could go ahead and filter it out through month, year, or maybe days. Likewise, if you go ahead and scroll down a bit, you might also find the statement of all of your transactions. So you could go and read it out, and this way you should be able to get the TD Bank statement online. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.